Hello everyone, this is Venkat. Hope you all watched my previous videos. If not, you can find the links in the description. In this video, you will be learning how to access your free D365 developer environment. If you are going to work in a client project, then it's not a problem and developer environment will be provided by them. However, what if you are not working in D365 development project, but you would like to learn D365 development techniques? You'll be thinking of installing trial version, but it is not easy to do and you need help from an experienced person, right? I'm going to guide you how to access your free D365 developer environment that is already provided by Microsoft. Okay. Now I'm going to open a browser with Google. Okay. Let me type MB500. Okay. You can find a Microsoft link. I'm going to click on it. So MB500 is the exam code for app developer certification. This page provides documentation and video tutorials to study D365 technical concepts to clear your MB500 exam. Okay. Let me scroll down. You can find a learning path and I'm going to click on one of the chapter called Bill Finance and Operation Apps. Okay, again I'm going to scroll down. In this first chapter, customize finance and operation app by using Visual Studio. You can find a link called Lab, create a project and add an element. This will make you to open virtual machine. Okay, let me click on this. So this entire learning path, you can find, in each and every chapter, you can find a link that will make you to open a virtual machine. You are going to use the same lab to practice D365 development concept. Okay. So you can find a button called launch VM mode. Okay. This button only be visible after you have logged into this page using your personal or official email ID. Okay. So I have already logged in this, so I'm able to see this button. Let me click on this button. It does all the process to open the virtual machine in the browser itself. Okay. So now the VM is almost ready. You need to enter your administrator credentials. In the right side, you can find a panel with three tabs. On the resource tab, you can find user ID password for opening your VM as well as your D365 Finance homepage. And I'm going to click on the password link because the username administrator is already here. So let me click on the password now. It gets filled automatically. I will click on the arrow button. So you can see the command prompt window here. It does some processes. You have to wait until it gets completed. Okay, that's the important point here. In parallel, I'm going to open Visual Studio. Okay, let me open in administrator mode. Let me right click on it, run as administrator. Click yes. Okay, in this window, I'm going to click continue without code. I'm not going to click create a new project or any other link. And you will be learning those things later. Okay, now I am able to open my Visual Studio without any issues. Okay, so in this VM, D365 Finance and Operation is already installed. You have the complete development environment. Okay, great going. Let me close this Visual Studio. Okay, now it's not necessary. Let me wait until it gets processed so that you can see the home page for D365 Finance and Operation. Now all the processes are completed and you are able to see the login screen. You need to enter the Azure portal user ID and password. I'm going to click on username. It gets filled automatically. Let me click next button. I'll click on the password link on the right side panel. Let me click sign in. Don't click on yes button here. Just click no button so that it won't get stored in your cookie. So now you are seeing the home page of D365 Finance and Operations. Okay. I hope you are all happy that you are able to access your developer environment without bigger efforts. You try it and put your comments or email me if you have questions. Let me close this browser now. Also remember, if you have closed the browser, the same VM is not accessible and you can't find your work that you have already done. So I suggest you to complete your practice before you close the browser. Okay. Let me close this. So you can find my email ID here, robustcoding1974 at gmail.com. Thank you all.